Hello and welcome to SKTV News. You're watching Primetime English News with HEMABATI. First headlines. Despite talks on re-establishment of popular government formation this month, outcome remains uncertain, asserts Assembly Speaker T.H. Sktv'S. Hado Human Rights Advocacy demands disarming of Sioux cadres and prosecution of cadres involved in Irrigation village incident. National Sports University Vice Chancellor asserts NSU facility at Kumanlampak Sports Complex will be shifted at NSU Complex Kotruk in August this year. And Home Department issues order stating Manipur government has fixed Village Defence Force personnel's monthly salary to 14,400 rupees. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Thokchom Satyabrata has asserted that there is no confirmation for restoration of a popular government this month, despite talks and speculation in this matter. Thokchom Satyabrata was speaking on the sideline of 90th Foundation Day observance of Rising Youth Organization at Bhakta Ashram ground today. Speaking further, T.H. Satyabrata highlighted the impact of the ongoing crisis in every sphere. He added that a concerted effort is required from all sections of society to restore normalcy in Manipur and to bring back Manipur on the path of progress once again. While urging local clubs and CSOs to play active role in peace process, Speaker Satyabrata stressed on the need to bring people under one platform to deliberate on important issues. While responding to query regarding restoration of popular government in the state, Speaker Satyabrata asserted that BJP legislatures are standing firm to fulfill the wish of public, which is to restore an elected government in Manipur. He, however, maintained that chief ministerial candidate has not been finalized yet.
Lebaki wara tanda singda club singna wakhan puthokpiraga punjanbiraga punna lebak si shanti halakhannabu hotnabada achoba daita lobigani amasung lobiri na lojai. Aduna club asi yam maru oi pasi lekai na mapangan kan lehen machangi haibasini akoi han sing lamanjin haina balai apun manapangan ni apun mapang ngalama sagalaga phapha makhangi thabak lebaki oiba lekai gi oiba adu mathuk kaya paikhatpa ngambo oibiro aduga itan dan leibasi koi doga khitang mit mai singba samaj ama oirasi.
Hado Human Rights Advocacy has strongly condemned Government of India for currently administering Manipur under President's rule, alleging failure to enforce suspension of operations Sioux agreement with Kuki militant groups, which it claims has enabled renewed intimidation, vandalism and territorial aggression against indigenous communities. The group cited January 11 incident in which suspected KNF cadres allegedly vandalized Irrigation village, defaced public structures with threatening slogans, and issued death threats to the village chairman, prompting residents to impose an indefinite blockade from January 12. It also referred to January 14 resolution by Joint Tribes Council (JTC) representing Inpui, Liangmai, Rongmei, and Zemi Naga tribes to enforce non-cooperation measures to protect their lands. The organization accused the state of shielding Sioux signatory groups from accountability and demanded immediate disarmament and prosecution of those involved, suspension of the Sioux agreement until credible enforcement mechanisms are in place, and deployment of neutral security forces to ensure the safety of all indigenous communities. National Sports University Vice Chancellor Dr. Shyam Sundar Rath stated that the second campus of India's foremost premier sports institute will be formally unveiled this August. Speaking to SKTV on the occasion of 8th Foundation Day of the University held at Kumanlampak, Dr. Shyam Sundar highlighted that the university's new campus infrastructure construction has reached 95% completion till the end of December last month. Expressing optimism, he said that the new campus is projected to complete and will be handed over on August 26 this year. He mentioned that the university currently runs 2 BSc and 2 MSc courses, which is expected to expand to other important streams, such as master degrees in sports performance and analysis, strength conditioning, sports biomechanics, exercise physiology and related diploma and certificate courses as well. It may be noted that National Sports University at Kotrok was established on 15 January 2018 as a central university under the aegis of Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India.
To our new campus, they are going to hand it over on August 2026. So at present we are running 2 undergraduate courses and 4 master level courses. Various other courses which is very important, like our sports performance analysis, master degree in sports performance analysis, MSc in strength and conditioning, MSc in sports biomechanics, MSc in exercise physiology. These are the programs we are going to introduce. Apart from that, we will also introduce certificate course and diploma course as per NEP 2020. And also we are having BSc sports coaching. First time BSc sports coaching was introduced in our university. This is a 4-year program.
Manipur government has issued an order to revise the remuneration of Village Defence Force VDF personnel at the rate of 14,400 rupees per month, which is 480 rupees per day, as notified as minimum wages by Skill, Labour, Employment and Enterprises Department. The order issued by Joint Secretary Home Dr. Mayambam Vito and the Governor of Manipur informed that the revised salary will be effective from January 1, 2026. The order also announced provision of increment of 500 rupees for every 1 year of completion of service delivered. Meanwhile, All Manipur VDF Welfare Association Central Committee has withdrawn its pen down and gun down strike with immediate effect after it reached an agreement with the Home Department today. The association's president Sagoshim Sanjit announced this to the reporters during a press meet held at Manipur Press Club, Imphal. Speaking further, Sanjit asserted that the government has agreed to increase the VDF's remuneration to 14,400 rupees with an annual increment of 500 rupees. He further expressed gratitude to the President's rule government for fulfilling the VDF's demand, while stating that they will resume their service with immediate effect in all districts.
Pen down, gun down. Jangamoina, Sanjalaka, Masi Powder, Zanzamne, Masi, Kankana, Mari Lena, Department, Makaki, order, when the Tanzania was a Topida, Maruina, Commissioner, Home Department, the Gila, Obicharging, Aduga PSQ, Obicharging, Aduga. DP Amazon Finance Obicharging, Mari Lena, Process and Subiduna, Farmers in the city, or the Topida, or the Topida, when Iva, Angela strike as a high, Mikushi again, Masigi, and Doctor, the gear point to Kila, and then Baho, we have open say, we first made the Abrimid and Putanga Tamdari.
Rajya Sabha MP Sanajawbale Shimba has reiterated the importance of embodying patriotic feeling by people from all walks of life. The Rajya Sabha MP was speaking during 10th Foundation Day observance of Sky Hospital and Research Centre Private Limited at Classic Grande today. Chairman of Sky Hospital Dr. Shyam Kishore, Critical Care Specialist Dr. Sanjeev Popli and other eminent persons attended the program. Speaking in the program, MP Sanajawba lauded Sky Hospital for its public service, especially in treatment of heart ailments, while also stressing on the need to exhibit patriotic feelings while pursuing any duties. Meanwhile, Chairman of the hospital, Dr. Shyam Kishore, highlighted on the journey of the hospital in the last 1 decade of its service in healthcare sector.
Any profession that I have found, me voicinu, say something voicinu, doctor voicinu, alaiwanga voicinu, any voicinu. Maduda akap ekon data voicinu, adumba professional level missing say. May bang siya mo bisang. Kasi ang kanay ko ay minimum daw tawag may ako matanda sumtang ko Sky Hospital, Sky nila pa Angela mo ni ko may ako kalubado ba, kalbiba mapuo man yan sa hayo-hayo mo daw. Ang sumo ko. Masih tak terlalu lama, Kasi Sktv'S function ng mga ay mayamo na handa na ang hajar natin. Layong dapat tayo na din kasi layan ba Manipuri praja na hati kali at problem na bisin siya. Mas ako ano ngayon.
Kairao constituency MLA Lorimbam Rameshwar emphasized the crucial role of artists in bringing peace in the society. He was speaking at the award presentation ceremony for 3rd Labuk Tombam Shamdev Award at Rupmahal Theatre, Imphal today. The function, organized by Manipur Youth's Cultural Organization, was also attended by retired professor of Manipur University, Thiam Jekendra, and former program head of Akashvani Imphal, Adhikari Mayum Git Chandra Sharma. Speaking further, the MLA said that artists enable human beings to experience the conscious moments of life, suggesting that human society might face a chaotic situation in their absence. He added that the society must acknowledge their contribution and support them in every possible manner. During the function, Labuk Tongbam Shamdev Memorial Award 2025 was presented to renowned theatre artist Brajabashi Mayum Jugul Chandra of Kaishamtong Khodam Lerak and noted writer Maisnam Birmani of Palarbul Kulen Kasar in Assam.
Lai yekpa, murti saba, jagoi sabi, lila tong jaba aikoi leiram drama. Prithvi ki layam se leiram gadran. Aikoi se somaj sina paana ba larik athaba mani aikoi handaganu aikoi paat haba koma se ishor ko semi bangami bani hai. Kari ko prize ama phangakpa matamda sports person ni sanagi sempakta lupa crore achauba pham dhom jayaga bajai khomaga yum da thin bane society na su government na su aduga dilata basing isai sapasing pena khomasing makoi na khitang paisa phangjaga do bodo kari go thok to ome thopada arts de da thinga kane ba.
Campaign for Just and Fair Delimitation JFD convener Jitendra Ningombag called for identification and deportation of illegal immigrants before conducting census in Manipur. He said that without strict action, the state risks being swallowed by illegal immigrant influx. He made a statement during a campaign meeting held at Wangu Sabal Shemba Sanglen in Kumbi constituency as part of the organization's series on fair delimitation and census. The meeting was attended by club members, Maira Paibi and VLF representatives of Wangu Terakhong Gram Panchayat, Ward number 10. Speaking further, Jitendra Ningomba stressed the need for a fair census exercise, as the process is set to begin from April in major parts of the country. He remarked that census data is not simply about counting numbers, but its data forms the basis for welfare and development planning for the next 10 years. He warned that porous borders continue to encourage illegal entry, increasing risk of foreigners becoming naturalized citizens if strict measures are not enforced.
Election pangtung tingin mamaga topupa kasimba dunia muduna mi from the krakumba yang mudun lopupa dorga delimitation to election document adu ma election document da asagi mitu mia chama yang yokin dibu ma yang maduna mi interest punta podi pemakan podi vote level matamda buku hi punga misi ingata ya ni kibo tamda vote mo ko political full party dore ai koina miko kibo do pami adu ko miko ki ni mamanga mitu mia sasan khaluk bi hani mitu mia sasan se khaluk ni nabak da ka ko ni sasan ba ya ba se ani lambi munda han lambi mana lei ba ko mia se masina ka pun ta se ka ko chi mitu khan thadu Census ko na to na sa na amatu ko lo lambi ba lei mo mo ni bu ke ba emi lei bu representative maya sisna amatu ko no wale no ba adu wale ko lower kanda kada ya tawa minister of home able the thara kanda e ko kitan di photo view matam kare photo view ye ko view haira adu wo possibility we use.
Meanwhile, JFD Finance Secretary Sunil Koram said prolonged ethnic conflict was triggered by armed illegal immigrants who entered the country from Myanmar. He said that conducting census at this juncture is unadvisable and could worsen the situation. He pointed out that inter-district movement remains restricted and national highways remain inaccessible, which is fertile ground to create conditions where refugees may turn into citizens without due process. He urged authorities to ensure proper planning and coordination with state officials before conducting the exercise.
Natural drama is over. I don't go theatre. Ni machine theatre. Ni literally. Ni cooperation theatre. I don't get it. Here the situation Iran like what jaga matam da. Ni ko theatre da ni hai. I ni agar ni सब ए hai बंदा machine है. हतर census ni ko theatre ni. मोयाओ बनी. मोयाओ ni तरह बा. India citizen orani. Manipur citizen कौन करने बा. अदु की कौन करने नहीं करता बा. वो ले पे यार ni. थम्पन तो पा हाथ तो. Mighty, I'm also a body, learning the travel, it's now indigenous policy. Some matters in the pie. I don't know boys, I couldn't go to the Katoke, Tabulo, I couldn't Hana, Nitos and Kalo law. I don't think I in short, it was up Yakima boy. Yakima boy, Mama, like this in the I could put them in the Navayava, then in the Navayava, New York.
All India Congress Committee and Manipur Pradesh Congress jointly launched the AICC National Spokesperson Talent Hunt Program at Congress Bhavan today. Speaking to media persons on the sideline, AICC National Coordinator in charge, Advocate Avani Bansal, said the Talent Hunt Program will give opportunity to youths to convey the message of people of Manipur at national level. Avani Bansal also provided a QR code scanner for interested youths to download the registration form and urged to submit your registration before January 25.
All India Congress Committee's communication team has launched a national talent hunt for voices of democracy across the country. We are launching this leg in Manipur. So today with the official launch, there is a Google form link, there is a scanner which you will see in the poster. You can also see it behind me. We will also circulate the handouts. Any person who is above 18 years of age in Manipur and believes that he or she or they want to become the voice of change should apply for this program. They will have an opportunity to
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee spokesperson Seram Nikain expressed concern that job card holders in Manipur might face hardship after the replacement of Manrega by VBG Ramji. In a Facebook post, Nikain noted that the implementation of the new scheme may face considerable challenges because of the increase in state government's share for wages. He also asserted that the increase in working days from 100 to 125 in the new scheme would not bring much benefits to the job card holders, citing the accomplishment of only 40 working days for Manrega in the previous year. The MPCC spokesperson added that new scheme will reduce number of working days to align with the central government's budget allocation, while simultaneously limiting the authority of the panchayats. Commandant of 6th India Reserve Battalion and SP of Special Commando Unit Dr. Sarangthim Ibomcha has been awarded Chief of Army Staff Commendation Award. His name has been included among the names of the 747 security personnel under police category listed for the conferment of the prestigious awards on the observance of Army Day. Notably, Ibomcha, who had served as SPs in different districts of the state and commandant of 1st MR, has been promoted to IPS on December 4. District Administration Jiribam held a preparatory meeting for the 77th Republic Day Celebration 2026 at the conference hall of DC's office today. Chaired by DC Krishna Kumar, the meeting reviewed arrangements for the main function to be held at Jiribam Higher Secondary Ground and discussed coordination among line departments for smooth execution of the event. Emphasis was laid on participation of contingents, display of tableaux, cultural programs, construction of welcome gates and other logistical arrangements. Seating arrangements, medical emergency services and refreshment facilities were also reviewed. The DC announced cleanliness drive on January 19 at the venue and instructed departments to put up banners highlighting their achievements and distribute scheme-related items to beneficiaries on Republic Day. On the sidelines, the district administration felicitated Manipur cadre IPS officer Jitendra Prasad Kir on his joining Jiribam District Police on a 6-month probation. The meeting was attended by SP Prakahar Pandey, CO 7th IRB Semiram Roar, ADC TH Manoranjan, DFO E Nirmala Chanu, SDO L Tarajid and other departmental heads. Now before we move on, it's time for a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Stay tuned.
With thanksgiving to God, we rejoice in the holy matrimony of our beloved daughter Florina of Gaitanga Gonmai and Gaichina Gonmai from Wainam Village, Kangpokpi District, and Diki, son of Mingson M. Marak and Dilbahar A. Marak of Shillong, Meghalaya, solemnized on 13th January 2026 at Wainam Village. As scripture reminds us, what God has joined together, let no one separate. May the Lord bless and keep you, fill your marriage with love, faith and understanding, and establish your home in peace and joy. May your lives together glorify God always. With prayers and blessings from Dr. G.D. Ransanchung, RN Professor, IIT Roorkee, Uttarakhand.
Babina Multi-Speciality Hospital na Lemjabi Self-Help Group ka khutsamnaduna free health screening OPD camp ama pangthokjagadauri. January ki tarik 13 thangje numit ki ayuk pung 10 dagi hauraga nungthil gi pung 2 fauba Ningthaukhong ward number 13 gi community hall da laying jagadauri. Hernia, gallbladder amasung appendix kamari leinaba laina, piles and fistula, breast lumps asina chingba mathakta panjariba layung sing asigi damag makhada pizariba phone number asida call tawbiduna tanabiyu.
Welcome back. You're watching SKTV Primetime English News. More news and updates. Officials of the Office of Deputy Commissioner, Imphal West District, Traffic Police, Imphal West, Transport Department, Public Works Department, along with members of Uripog Apunbalub and Uripog Nupi Apunbalub, conducted a joint survey along the Uripog Kangchub Road today. During the survey that aims to ease the traffic congestion along the road, the officials reviewed and discussed several challenges, such as the encroachments on both sides of the roads and disobedience of traffic rules. They also generate awareness about road safety to the general public. Tribal Youth Council Manipur TYCM Council Headquarters has submitted a memorandum to Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhala at Lok Bhavan on January 6, urging that portfolio of Minister in charge of Minor Irrigation Department should not be assigned to the Chief Minister when a popular government is formed in the state. The Council instead demanded that the responsibility be given to a member of the Council of Ministers to ensure better accessibility and effective engagement with tribal communities. TYCM stated that during previous Congress and BJP regimes, when the Chief Minister held the portfolio, departmental programs of the department failed to adequately reach the tribal and hill areas due to lack of direct interaction, limited field visits, and insufficient understanding of local grievances. It further alleged that schemes such as the Accelerated Irrigation Benefit Program, AIBP, the Micro Irrigation Fund, MIF, through NABARD, and other projects were not properly implemented in the hill regions. Citing the heavy workload of the Chief Minister, the Council said people from remote areas often found it difficult to present their issues. Assigning the portfolio to another minister, TYCM added, would ensure better communication, regular interactions and effective implementation of irrigation schemes in the hill areas of Manipur. Manipur Staff Selection Commission Chairperson T. Ranjit announced that there will be some changes in the recruitment process of the Commission. Addressing a press conference at Lamphel DC complex, T. Ranjit said that for the first time in Manipur, the Commission will conduct future recruitment examinations in computer-based testing, CBT mode, starting with the upcoming multitasking staff examination for 10 regular posts. Stating the reason for this big move, he said the decision was taken to keep the examination process clean and with no room for any irregularities, emphasizing that CBT mode will push for a better merit-based selection process. He further said that Commission infrastructure is being upgraded to comply with the new update and added that details about the upgrade can be obtained from its website www.manipurssc.mn.gov.in.
multitasking MTS ki tara longi hai bisi koina raiba RR sida koi tauraga tawdabani adana koi ki pekhasi da koi ki negative marking ama lain 100 questions sida MTS ki koina haijari se sida 50 marks ama general knowledge laigani 25 marks on mathematics ki laigani amana English ki 25 marks so altogether 100 questions la akum sida mana kana guma mi amana 70 questions is fajana chumme khanga ga 30 da akoi ki pekhaga ta abada ana pakota khosal loye na khosal targadi suppose 70 se pura chummaga mana 30 to lan targadi minus 15 masa kani so ultimately he or she will get only 75 marks so he or she may not be selected I am matam that any subsequent exam me am se RR frame the work as a CBT motor across the countries me am going to romina sida tawraga or question na koi in a way okay musi yamna for the welfare of the people aduga asengna merit based oje doba aduba apaba sata mayam do khallaga thabak torkani haina koi commission su thajai
Ketramayum Yaima Memorial Trust observed 120th birth anniversary of Ketramayum Yaima at Dosiali Hall in Kwakatil, Moirangpurel. The program was attended by retired DI schools of Zone 3, Taubal Yenkum Indra, Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur, former President Yai School Khairakpam, GP Women's College retired Associate Professor Okram Sumati, and writer Salam Tomba as key presidium members. Speaking on the occasion, Ketramayum Yaima Memorial Trust Secretary Rakesh Naurim recounted the contributions of Ketramayum Yaima, noting that he regularly walked to Taubal on foot to teach his students. During the program, a book titled Life and Works of Ketramayum Yaima, written by Salah Tomba, was also released.
Ketramayum Yaima Memorial Trust na ekoi leptana pangthopa topa foroma haigadi sei amamung kana ga piba ekoi Manipur ki masak nai ba ekoi aibi sing cultural activities da piba tum ba yamana makka koina 2020 ga 3 de koina piba hojatre madu Ketramayum Yaima madi Thambal Memorial Lifetime Achievement Award masida pelu balishing kun ga loina ekoi pizza bani madu ahan koina Dr. Somtham Jamini da koina pizza kre andak ani shu koina laiba January kitang kun gamathoi da ekoi sali hall ekoi trust office oi kon sa pang to pator momada sangnai bai ba koi yankum bi hari da koi pina na ba la sakre
Information Technology Joint Director Gurumayum Robert Sharma expressed belief that artificial intelligence can play a key role in Manipur's state government departments. He was speaking on the sidelines of Tech Sprint Manipur 1.0, a two-day hackathon at ITSEZ Manipuri Imphal on the theme Artificial Intelligence for Governance Startups and Social Impact. Speaking further, he informed that the event participated by 180 IT students and entrepreneurs aims to boost skills and attract government funding for startups. He also said that the event aligns with AI visions for the 5 years and prepares for the National AI Summit while describing it as an eye-opener for the state.
Tech Sprint Manipur to 1.0 haibasi akhona Department of IT amsung MTA hab couple laga sijabani masida akhona students ma'am entrepreneurs ma'am Manipur le basin simosi promote tonaba amsung moje hena room toduna mohi funding bihan nabagi adumba activity makalamani lakatori ba AI summit national level sida jo khona participate tonabi plan sinjari Manipur gi AI vision for the 5 years haiba road map to the so khona ahamba kuthang ma oina masi so khona sijabani do angang sinsi out of the state ke laga khona pijari ba problem statement since am line hona bu ubasida boisi already AI ream mang khomang jingsalam hai tare aduna masi silli basina khoi da su yam la achoba eye opening oiba bodamadi oire.
A combined team consisting of Kamjong District Police, 3rd Battalion BSF B Company and Forest Department personnel carried out a drive against poppy cultivation at hill range located between Itham and Chongdan in Kamjong District today. The team destroyed poppy plants grown at 14 acres of area during the drive, which was undertaken as part of ongoing war on drugs campaign by Manipur government. Deputy Commissioner of Kangpokpi, Mahesh Chaudhary, flagged off a road safety awareness rally from the DC Mini Secretariat Complex, Kangpokpi, as part of National Road Safety Month 2026. Which is being organized on the theme Sarak Suraksha Jeevan Raksha. Speaking on the occasion, District Transport Officer Mohammad Wahidur Rahman emphasized the importance of collective responsibility in ensuring road safety and urged all to strictly adhere to traffic rules to prevent accidents and save lives. The flag-off ceremony was attended by ADM Sokongbam Baite and SDOs, DTO, DLO of the district. Assam Rifles marked Army Day 2026 on January 15 with a series of civic action programs across Manipur, reinforcing its role as a trusted friend of the people. The day, which commemorates the historic assumption of command by the first Indian Commander-in-Chief in 1949, was observed through community-focused initiatives, including a friendly volleyball match at Bongjang village in Technopole district, a motivational lecture for 83 children under the day with company commander initiative at Sajal Kuki village in Kangpokpi district, and a first aid and CPR awareness demonstration session at Kaithil Manbi garrison conducted by Indian Red Cross Society, Imphal West. Moreover, an awareness lecture on career opportunities in the armed forces was organized at Alpha School in Kachai village in Ukhrul district. Altogether, more than 190 individuals comprising troops, youth, students and villagers participated, highlighting Assam Rifles' commitment to youth empowerment, community engagement, unity and harmony in the true spirit of Army Day. 94 Battalion of CRPF successfully concluded its fortnight-long Civic Action Program series with a grand event at Gamgifai in Kangpokpi district aimed at strengthening community bonds and promoting local welfare. The final program, conducted by the F&G companies, was attended by DIG Operations Range Kangpokpi Rajesh Kumar, along with Commandant Vinod Kumar and senior officers of the battalion as presidium members. Essential items including solar street lights, solar lamps, sewing machines, garbage bins and sports kits were distributed to residents of Gamgifai and nearby villages to support infrastructure, women's empowerment and youth development. The series, which began at Sabarmena and covered Khenjang, Damdai and Kangpokpi, sought to promote mutual trust between the force and the public. Villagers also honored Assistant Commandants HS Meena, PK Jena and Ashok Kumar with traditional Saipikung shawls in recognition of their service, while expressing gratitude to the CRPF for its continued commitment to peace, security and development in the region. (169 Battalion of Central Reserve Police Force CRPF distributed sewing machines to villagers of Kadangban 2 during a function held at the community hall of the village today. The initiative was taken up as part of CRPF's Civic Action Program with the aim to strengthen community relations and promote socio-economic development. CRPF 169 Battalion, Second in Command Muhammad Yasir Abbasi, Second in Command Baljinder Singh, Assistant Commandant Jawed Hussain along with villagers of Kadangban attended the program. Fans of iconic grunge band Nirvana and its lead singer late Kurt Cobain can get an opportunity to remember and relive the iconic band as a tribute band from UK is set to perform at Imphal tomorrow. The Nirvana tribute will be performing live at Festival of Nongin, which will be organized at YAC ground tomorrow. The event is being organized by Giving Tree by Eventers and Pebet Designs. A press meet was held at Giving Tree in Sangai Pro ahead of the concert, and vocalist John Paul O'Connor, drummer Bradley James Ratcliffe and bassist Reese Edward interacted with media persons a day after their arrival in Imphal yesterday. Speaking to media, frontman John Paul O'Connor expressed his excitement to perform in Manipur for the first time. He also expressed confidence that people can experience and relive the songs of iconic band Nirvana in a concert tomorrow.
First time to visit Manipur, yes. We're really excited to meet those guys and to play with those guys as well. So far we've had a really great experience here, I think. We've been really surprised. You know, we travel all over the world and we go to many different countries, meet many different people, and I think we're surprised by the reception that we've had here. Everybody's been so kind, so nice. The vibe here is really, really good. We went on some sightseeing today and that was fantastic as well. So yeah, we're trying to make the most of our time here. And we've enjoyed it so much, we're already talking about potential plans for the future to come back here again. So
haven't even played the show yet.
We haven't even played the show yet, and we're already making plans potentially for the future.
Ruda Academy observed its 28th Foundation Day during a program that was held at its campus in Thoubal Okram, Wangmatabad today. Head of Department of Manipur University, Professor Kaisham Shitaljit, Psychiatrist PDF Child and Adolescent Psychiatry Dr. Gina Higrujam, singer-actor Hamom Sadananda and Manipuri folk performer Benita Laishram graced the function. The program was marked by distribution of appreciation certificates to students and other cultural performances. A book titled Demographic Imbalance in Manipur, Its Impact and Solution was released at Manipur Press Club, Imphal today. The publication is a compilation of excerpts from views and ideas shared by experts and moderators during a discourse held on July 19, 2025 at Manipur University. The book, published jointly by International Peace and Social Advancement (IPSA) and Kangleipak Students Association (KSA), explores the implications of demographic imbalance in Manipur and proposes solutions. A children poetry book titled Nawa Lo Sing, which is compiled by All Manipur Progressive Student Association and published by S. Ibohanbi Foundation, was released during a function held at Manipur Press Club today. President of All Manipur Recognized Private Schools Welfare Association, Laishram Joy, General Secretary of Apunba Wonba Manipur Amagidamag, C.H. Bala, Assistant Professor of Department of Psychology, M.U. Asim Babina, Dr. Sanasam Subaminov of Department of Earth Science, M.U. Chairperson of S. Ibohanbi Foundation, T.H. Sangbi, and President of AMSA, Mutum Chinglemba, attended the book release function. Now moving on in the sports news. Captain S. Ingo Singh retired championship trophy for MU Intercollege Handball Men Tournament 2025-26 and S. Ayekpam Nalini Devi Memorial Championship Trophy for MU Intercollege Handball Women Tournament 2025-26 was held at Yaifal Lamjing Kanglup Chingaril Tejpur today. Organized by Biramangul College Sports Organizing Committee, under the aegis of Manipur University, Pravapai College emerged as tournament champions in men's category and Biramangul College Saumbung in women's category. In individual prizes, Premsen from Prabhapati College was awarded Best Player in men's, while Barlish from Manipur University was awarded Best Player in women's category. The closing day was attended by Dr. C.H. Pradeep Singh, Assistant Director of Sports, MU, Principal Biramangul College, Saumbung, Dr. A. Jiban Lata, DDO Biramangul College, Saumbung, Dr. K. Rajakumar, and others. And in the weather report, according to ICAR Regional Center Imphal, state's maximum temperature was recorded at 24.5 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 9 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 95% in the morning and 41% in the evening. Now, before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Despite talks on re-establishment of popular government formation this month, outcome remains uncertain, asserts Assembly Speaker T.H. Satyavrata. Thado Human Rights Advocacy demands disarming of Sioux cadres and prosecution of cadres involved in Iring Naga village incident. National Sports University Vice Chancellor asserts NSU facility at Kuman Nampak Sports Complex will be shifted at NSU Complex Kotruk in August this year. And Home Department issues order stating Manipur government has fixed village defence force personnel's monthly salary to 14,400 rupees. Now that's all we have for today's Primetime English News. Thank you for watching SKTV. Keep watching for more news and updates. Have a good night.